Okay, let's now take a look at animation inside of Stage. Animation is typically a pretty complicated thing to do, and you have to know about keyframes, and you have to know about spline tangent angles and all kinds of stuff to make it work right. Well, most of the time you're not doing complicated stuff, especially when it comes to products. You can do complicated stuff, but most of the time you just want to get some simple renders that make your product look good. And that includes turntables or hero shots or whatever it is. Well, in Stage, we want to make that super, super easy so that you don't have to be a 3D guru to be able to create animation. So if you go up to the Animation tab and you just say Create New, brings up this little animation editor. Now, the animation editor uses your camera view, like I'm doing right now, to create a start and stopping point. And that's it. And so you come in here and you can say My Cool Animation. And you can change however long you want it. So we could start out at 5 seconds, and then later on we can change it. So for example, if I want to create a turntable of this garment here, I could say start, and I could set it right here. That's where I want to start it. And then at the end, I just want to click on the object, say 360 degrees, and say set. And now to look at it, I just hit play, and here's my turntable. So I have a 5-second turntable, and it just loops back and forth. Right there. So if I wanted to showcase this to somebody, I wouldn't even have to render it. I just click that, click on U to hide the interface, and bam, I've got my turntable going right there. But it may be going a little bit too fast. So I'm going to stop it. I'm going to make it 10 seconds, and I'm going to do it now. It's now a 10-second turntable that I can just showcase in a meeting or to a friend or whoever would like to see it. So that's how easy it is to make a turntable animation just like that. In here, you've also got linear and smooth. And what that is that interpolates between the start and the end. So does the animation start slowly out and then slow in? We call it ease in, ease out. And that looks like this. So if I click smooth and do it, then it starts smooth. And it rotates a little bit faster. And then when it gets to the end, it slows down and then starts again. Linear is just a flat rotation. So it just goes, you can do a looping animation like this as well. So this allows you to do that. Now let's say I want to do that. So I'm going to close that cool animation. I'm going to say animation create new. And I'm going to name this like My Cool Hero Shot. Okay. And what I can do with this is I can come in and let's say I want to start at the leg right here where I've got this logo on the leg right here. And I want to end up somewhere looking at it like this, okay? So I'm going to start down here. I'm going to set the camera right where I want it to be. Maybe I'm starting a little low like that. So I'm going to start it right here. Remember, the viewport is your camera. So this is your framing and everything. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to say set. And then once again, I'm going to go like this and come to right here. And then let's say this is where I want to end. So I say set. Now I hit go, and there's my 5-second hero shot right there, happening in real time. And I can just hide the interface once again, and there we go, playing in real time. Okay? So that's how quick and easy it is to create these. Now, if I wanted to go back and edit this, all I do is I just go back to the view, and I go, okay, I want to just come out a little bit more or rotate it like this, and then I say set. And then when I hit play, it now has updated that final shot. Okay? So once again, if I go like this and I go, okay, I want to view that first frame. Where was that? Oh, view. There we go. I want to start right there. Set. Okay, that's it. Now hit play. There we go. There's my animation. So animation is really straightforward and really easy. And animation will key not only the camera, but also the model properties. So if I go back to view right here at the beginning and I wanted to rotate the object or the model like this, I can say set. And then if I want to go here and there, see how it's rotated at 0? That way, now you see how the model is moving as well as the camera. Like that. So that allows me to do some really cool things. And I could even come in here and I could just say there and then set. And now I'm back to the way it was. Okay? So really easy to create animation. And that will come into play when we render those.